Hello friends, welcome to Exam Tricks. Today we are going to learn a concept of negative work. In my earlier video of time and work, we learned the top basics of time and work. Today we will learn the basics of negative work. Suppose A and B are working to build a wall. They are building the wall together while C is working to break the wall. There will be a question where two people will be building the wall and one will be breaking the wall. Here we can say that C is doing the negative work. Such questions come in examinations. Let us take an example. A can build a wall in suppose 10 days and B can build the same wall in 5 days, and they are both working together, and C can break the wall in 20 days. In how many days the wall will be built? When A and B will be building the wall and C will be breaking the wall continuously. In how many days the wall can be built? Solution of this question can easily be done with the basics which I discussed in the last video. We will again use the percentage method, and if you know this trick, you will calculate in your mind, won't even use pen and pencil. Now one day effective work can be calculated. 10% work means 10 A can do the work in 10%. In one day A does 10%, B does 20%, and C does 5%. So we have added A and B's work and reduced the C's work. So we got effective one day work 25%. Now to calculate the number of days, we just divide that by 100 and we get the number of days required to build the whole wall. So here we saw that to calculate the effective one day work, we will add the same type of work, like the A and B are building the wall, so we will add their work and we will subtract the work that has been done in opposite. Means if somebody is breaking the wall at a pace, so we will subtract their one day work, and hence we will achieve the effective one day work, and which will easily give us easily indicate us towards the answer. Because suppose you know that 25% of the work is done in one day, so you can calculate in your mind that oh, it will take 4 days to complete 100%. This is the benefit of this method, this percentage method. Stay tuned, subscribe to my channel. Hello friends, welcome to Exam Tricks.